been really bothered by dark patterns lately, and one just landed in my inbox, and I'm just kind of like sitting here mad and need to do something about it. So I'm making this video, which will do nothing, but remind you that dark patterns are real and you can do nothing about them. So let's get into it. All right. I just got this email from GoPro, and I'm a huge fan of GoPro. I basically buy every single one. I have the subscription. I sell the oldest one. We have two. My kids use them all the time. We throw them on, when we go fishing. We do all sorts of stuff. My kids do trick shots, whatever. So love GoPro. Simple, cheap, durable, good cameras. And today I get this email that the Hero 10 is out. I'm like, oh, I didn't even know that was coming. And $150 off is a pretty big discount, honestly. So let's take a look at what's better about it. And here's the dark pattern. They just compared the Hero 10 to the Hero 6 in this lineup. And the Hero 6 looks just like the 7, 8, and 9. Like the profile looks exactly the same. You can't even go to their website and compare the Hero 10 to the Hero 6 because that camera is 4 years old. So yeah, everything looks twice as good. Look at this, 12 megapixels to 23.6. We go 4K to 5K, double the photo megapixels, more battery, blah, blah, blah. If you go to the website and do a comparison between the 9, which I have, and the 10, the difference is tiny. 3 megapixels difference. We got 5.3K instead of 5K. The 100 megabit per second bit rate is 0.3. It's just, these are slight upgrades. And so they had to go back 4 years to really pitch this product to make you. And I almost bought it before I noticed that it was the 6. That's just a dark pattern. Like they don't want to sell the 6. You can't buy the 6. They're just selling you based on how good. It'd be like comparing the iPhone 13 to the iPhone 7, Like, yeah, it's way better. The 13 is a little better than the 12, but it's not twice as good as the 12. Oh, it just bugs me. If you've got a product, don't do that.